Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, we're doing 5 episodes here on how I can become a Christian, and it's a walk on the Romans Road. The Romans Road, we call it the Romans Road because most of the scriptures that we use, these 5 steps, are taken from the book of Romans. There's only one that comes from Ephesians. But the others are all from Romans. So it's a great way to share the gospel. But if you're not a Christian, this is the way you become a Christian. So we talked about step 1 and 2 yesterday, or the day before yesterday and yesterday. Today we're talking about step 3, and that's taken from Romans 5:8. Okay, so I turn in my Bibles, my cute little Bible here. Romans 5:8 says this: "But God demonstrates His own love towards us, in that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us." Okay, so it's a great thing. We talked about earlier on that we are a sinner, okay, and the wages of that sin, we talked about yesterday, is death. Okay, now with this scripture today, it says, Jesus, before we didn't have to earn it or anything. But while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Okay, so he basically paid for it. It says, let me read it again. "But God demonstrates His own love for us, that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us." So God showed His love for us. You don't do that for someone unless you really love them. And then while we were still sinners, and all of us are sinners, then Christ died for us. So that is step 3. These episodes are like really short, so you can watch them like one right after the other if you want to. And that would be helpful if you're like going to meet someone and want to share the gospel with them. Just do these 5 episodes real quick and it'll go through it step by step here. All right. Thank you for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word. And remember, if you need one of these Bibles or another type of Bible, contact me and I'll get you one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.